welcome back to our Transition Home Learning for Edinburgh 1 class. So this is day 7 of our Transition Home Learning. And today we're going to read a story, one of my favourites. We're going to read The Day the Crayons Quit. The crayons make me laugh, especially Peach Crayon. You'll see why when you listen to the story. Enjoy the story for now.
The Day the Crayons Quit by Drew Daywalt. Pictures by Oliver Jeffers. One day, in class, Duncan went to take out his crayons and found a stack of letters with his name on them. "Hey, Duncan, it's me, Red Crayon. We need to talk. You make me work harder than any of your other crayons. All year long, I wear myself out coloring fire engines, apples, strawberries, and everything else that's red. I even work on holidays. I have to color all the Santas at Christmas and all the hearts on Valentine's Day. I need a rest. Your overworked friend, Red Crayon." "Dear Duncan, all right, listen. I love that I'm your favourite crayon for grapes, dragons, and wizards' hats, but it makes me crazy that so much of my gorgeous colour goes outside the lines. If you don't start colouring inside the lines soon, I'm going to completely lose it. Your very neat friend, Purple Crayon." "Dear Duncan, I'm tired of being called light brown or dark tan because I am neither. I am beige and I am proud. I'm also tired of being second place to Mr. Brown Crayon. It's not fair the Brown Crayon gets all the bears, ponies, and puppies, while the only things I get are turkey dinners, if I'm lucky, and wheat. And let's be honest, when was the last time you saw a kid excited about coloring wheat? Your beige friend, Beige Crayon." "Duncan, Grey Crayon here. You're killing me. I know you love elephants, and I know that elephants are grey, but that's a lot of space to colour all by myself. And don't even get me started on your rhinos, hippos, and humpback whales. You know how tired I am after handling one of those things? Such big animals. Baby penguins are grey, you know. So are tiny rocks, pebbles. How about one of those once in a while to give me a break? Your very tired friend, Grey Crayon."
"Dear Duncan, you colour with me, but why? Most of the time I'm the same colour as the page you're using me on. White. If I didn't have a black outline, you wouldn't even know I was there. I'm not even in the rainbow. I'm only used to colour snow or filling empty space between other things, and it leaves me feeling, well, empty. We need to talk. Your empty friend, White Crayon." "Hi, Duncan. I hate being used to draw the outline of things that are coloured in by other colours, all of which think they're brighter than me. It's not fair when you use me to draw a nice beach ball and then fill the colours of the ball with all the other crayons. How about a black beach ball sometime? Is that too much to ask? Your friend, Black Crayon."
"Dear Duncan, as Green Crayon, I'm writing for 2 reasons. One is to say that I like my work. Loads of crocodiles, trees, dinosaurs and frogs. I've no problems and wish to congratulate you on a very successful colouring things green career so far. The second reason I write is for my friends, Yellow Crayon and Orange Crayon, who are no longer speaking to each other. Both crayons think they should be the colour of the sun. Please settle this soon because they're driving the rest of us crazy. Your happy friend, Green Crayon."
"Dear Duncan, Yellow Crayon here. I need you to tell Orange Crayon that I am the colour of the sun." "I would tell him, but we are no longer speaking, and I can prove I'm the colour of the sun too. Last Tuesday, you used me to colour in the sun in your Happy Farm colouring book. In case you've forgotten, it's on page 7. You can't miss me. I'm shining down brilliantly on a field of yellow corn. Your pal and the true colour of the sun, Yellow crayon.
Dear Duncan, I see yellow crayon already talked to you, the big whinger. Anyway, could you please tell Mr. Tattletale that he is not the colour of the sun? I would, but we're no longer speaking. We both know that I am clearly the colour of the sun, because on Thursday you used me to colour the sun on both the Monkey Island and the Meet the Zookeeper pages in your Day at the Zoo colouring book. Orange, you glad I'm here? Your pal and the real colour of the sun, orange crayon. Dear Duncan, it has been great being your favourite colour this past year, and the year before, and the year before that. I really have enjoyed all those oceans, lakes, rivers, raindrops, rain clouds, and clear skies. But the bad news is that I am so short and stubby, I can't even see over the railings in the crayon box anymore. I need a break. Your very stubby friend, Blue Crayon, Duncan. Okay, listen here, kid. You have not used me once in the past year. It's because you think I am a girl's colour, isn't it? Speaking of which, please tell your little sister I said thank you for using me to colour in her Pretty Princess colouring book. I think she did a fabulous job of staying inside the lines. Now, back to us. Could you please use me sometime to colour in the occasional pink dinosaur or monster or cowboy? Goodness knows they could use a splash of colour. Your unused friend, Pink Crayon. Hey, Duncan, it's me, Peach Crayon. Why did you peel off my paper wrapping? Now I'm naked and too embarrassed to leave the crayon box. I don't even have any underwear. How would you like to go to school naked? I need some clothes. Help! Your naked friend, Peach Crayon.
Well, poor Duncan just wanted to colour, and of course he wanted his crayons to be happy. And that gave him an idea. When Duncan showed his teacher his new picture, she gave him a good work sticker for colouring and a gold star for creativity.
So now you've listened to the story, The Day the Crayons Quit. Today I'd like you to write a book review for this story. There's an example here on the screen of how you might do your book review. But if you want to lay yours out differently or use different questions, that's fine. But on there, you need to have things like the book title and the author, and whether it's fiction or non-fiction. Very importantly, you need to tell me what your story is about. What is the story The Day the Crayons Quit all about? And you need to say whether you would recommend the book. Who would you recommend the book to? Why? Can you give it a star rating? Can you have an illustration of the book? You might choose part of the story or even the front cover for your illustration. And can you write 3 facts you've learnt or 3 things you've learnt about one of the characters? You might write 3 things about one of the crayons or something different about 3 different colours of the crayons. If you need to rewind the video to watch the story again, that's fine. But now you can pause here and complete your book review. Don't forget to take photographs of it and email them to me. You've got my email addresses. Bye everyone for today.